Hello dear students, welcome to your computer class. Our next topic is working with two sprites. We have learned how to add a new sprite on this stage. Let us make a project using more than one sprite. Step number 1 is open the Scratch window. Remove the cat sprite by right clicking on it and selecting the delete option. First of all, you have to remove the cat sprite from the stage. Right click on the sprite and select the delete option. This is how we can delete a sprite. Next step is click on the choose sprite from library button. You can see here it is. After clicking on it, the sprite library dialog box will open. Choose people from category section. You can see here it is. Now select the ballerina sprite and then click on OK. Next step is now select the costumes tab. Here is the costumes tab. We will notice ballerina A, ballerina B, ballerina C and ballerina D costumes under the ballerina sprites costume list. You can see here it is. Select the ballerina A costume and adjust its position on the stage by dragging it to the desired location. First of all, select the ballerina A costume. Now adjust its position on the stage like this. Next step is again select the choose sprite from library button and add Jamie sprite from the people category on the stage. Select the choose sprite from library button. Now select the people category. You can see here is the Jamie sprite. Click on it and then click on OK. Next step is select the Jamie B sprite from the costume list and place it as shown in figure 6.5. First of all, click on the costumes tab. You can see here is the Jamie B sprite. You can place it anywhere on the stage like this. Next step is select the sprites one by one and start creating the block stack step by step in the script area. You can see figure 6.6 is the script for Jamie sprite and figure 6.7 is the script for ballerina sprite. अब आपको स्क्रिप्ट एरिया में स्टेप बाय स्टेप दोनों की स्क्रिप्ट बनानी है. Let's start with the ballerina sprite. First block is when flag clicked. This block you will find in the events block. Click on events block. Now pick the when flag clicked block and drop it in the script area like this. Next is wait 1 second block. This block you will find in the control block. You can see here it is. Next is say yes brother for 1 second. This block you will find in the looks block. Erase hello and type yes brother here. Also erase 2 and type 1 here. Next is wait 2 second block. Erase 1 and write 2 here. Next is say sure for 1 second. Erase hello and write sure here and 1 in place of 2. Next is repeat block. This block you will find in the control block. Erase 10 and write 4 here. Next is wait 1 second block and then next costume block. Ballerina sprite script is done. Now move on to the Jamie sprite. Click on Jamie sprite first. And now start creating the script for Jamie. First block is when flag clicked. Next is say hello. Then wait 3 seconds. Erase 1 and write 3 here. Next is next costume block. Next is say can you demonstrate the exercise which I taught you for 2 seconds. Click on the looks block Now pick the say hello for 2-second block and drop it in the script area. Erase hello and right here can you demonstrate the exercise which I taught you. Next block is wait 3-second block. Erase 1 and write 3 here. Last step is click on the green flag button located on the top of the window and observe the two sprites talking to each other. Now I am going to click on the green flag button. Now you can see that the two sprites are talking to each other.